766 Iron Bridge. It's a 2-car garage. A lot of one-stories around here. Probably need to be touched up. Not a big deal at all, but probably repaint this as well. Okay, so this looks like vinyl. Sorry. Looks like they did some touch-up to the paint, but you can still see it. So, oh, we have the 2.5-inch forward blinds. That's great. I think they may have cleaned the carpet because they ask you to take your shoes off, but it still looks dirty. So it's not a large area. Carpet's only about just over $1 square foot to replace. So it's, as you can see, it's not a large area. But because this is vinyl in here, Jenny may suggest just putting ceramic tile all the way through. Laminate counters, but they actually look pretty good. They not just in good condition, they're kind of pretty. Nice, I call these farm sinks. Nice big sink. Cabinets are in good condition. Okay.
Garage door.
Okay, I can't get this to open, but you can see there's only a tiny little concrete step here. Something will have to be done. Probably just add some rocks to this yard. It's morning right now, so this yard gets the morning sun, and it would not get much evening sun, so it may not need a patio overhang. It's Jenny's call. Okay. Carpet looks fine on the steps. I mean, it doesn't look like upgraded, beautiful carpet, but so far from I've seen, the condition is fine and may be able to survive a tenant turn. It's Jenny's call. We have vinyl in here too. Cabinets look good. Vinyl in here too. Whoa. Cabinets and counters look fine. Vinyl in here. Paint looks fine up here. It is nice that they already have the blinds on all these windows. You can see there was not the best touch-up job here. May not be an issue. Okay, that's the house.